Linda, you grow organic vegetables, so you have a specific way of starting your seeds off with a particular mixture.
Absolutely. Organic compost, vermiculite, and some good certified organic fertilizer. That's it.
Yep, that's easy enough. And you know what? It's the same thing when it comes to actually doing pot plants. If you're a plant parent and you find that you either don't have like some potgrond or really good potting mix, or you don't have the money for it, you can make it yourself by using a few very good ingredients. Number one, compost. It comes in everywhere, doesn't it? Compost is amazing.
Absolutely.
Then to add some aeration, you'd get some of this cocoa peat, okay? And you put this into water, it swells out, you add that into your compost mix. Then you'd also, once again, either add vermiculite or perlite, because that just creates space for the roots to be able to get down and around and increases the drainage. And then if you are doing something like a succulent mix, you'd need to add a lot of this to make sure that the water goes out a lot quicker than it would with your other plants. So easy enough to do from home. And okay, if you need any other suggestions on how to make sure that your plants get the best out of life, well, we're here to serve.